In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export data from Attio. By the end, you'll confidently download a clean CSV of your data that you can open in tools like Excel or Google Sheets, share with teammates, or use in reports. First, head to the home screen in your Attio workspace. This is your central hub, where you can quickly jump into the areas you use most. Make sure you're in the correct workspace and that your account has permission to view and export the data you need. If you have multiple tabs open, it's a good idea to stay on a stable internet connection, so the export completes without interruption. From home, go to your lists, and for this example, open the sales pipeline. Lists in Attio are organized views of your records, and the sales pipeline is a common one that teams export for forecasting, tracking opportunities, or creating dashboards elsewhere. Remember, the export reflects exactly what you're seeing in this view: the selected columns, the current sorting, and any filters that are applied. Before exporting, take a quick moment to confirm the view shows the fields you care about and only the records you want to include. That way, your CSV will be tidy and ready to use without extra cleanup. Now, look for the option to export view as CSV. You'll typically find this in the Views menu near the top right of the screen. Click Export View as CSV, and Attio will begin preparing your file. Depending on the size of your list and the number of fields, this can take a few moments. Keep the tab open while the download starts. When it's ready, your browser will save the file to your default downloads folder. Once the CSV lands on your computer, you can open it in your spreadsheet app of choice. CSV stands for comma-separated values, so each column in your Attio view becomes a column in the file. If your data contains commas or special characters, don't worry. CSV format handles that by quoting values as needed. Dates and times typically follow your workspace or browser locale, so if you're sharing the file internationally, note the format to avoid confusion. If you see odd characters, try opening the file with UTF-8 encoding, which preserves accents and symbols. That's it. To recap, open Home, go to your lists, and choose the Sales Pipeline view, then click Export View as CSV and let the download complete. If the file is large, give it an extra moment. Handle the exported data responsibly, especially if it includes sensitive business information. Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more.